Hello teacher, my name is David Fernando Monroy Anaya, a student of the Military University Nueva Granada. Today, I speak to Brazil, the geopolitical importance in America. Brazil, it is a sovereign country of South America that comprises the eastern half of the subcontinent. It is the fifth largest country of the world in total area. According to the International Monetary Fund and World Bank, Brazil is the largest economy in Latin America and the second largest in the continent, behind the United States, and is the ninth largest economy in the world according to its nominal GDP. It has a fairly large fauna and flora, and also exports products from mining, livestock, manufacturing, oil, etc. Brazil and Mercosur. This alliance is made up of Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, and Uruguay, created to allow free trade between the countries that integrate it and achievement an economic and commercial expansion with the European and African countries due to the proximity to the Atlantic Ocean. Brazil is the country with the greatest importance in Mercosur because it has a large territory in South America and has a wide slope towards the Atlantic Ocean. Brazil, the BRICS. This alliance formed by Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa allows the countries that conform it to have economic and commercial closeness with South America through Brazil, hence its geostrategic importance. Geostrategic importance of Brazil in South America. Brazil is the most important country in South America due to its geographical position and territorial power in that region, allowing international sector such as the European continent to be interested in strengthening their economy and South America, making this country geopolitically strong. In conclusion, Brazil is the country of greatest geostrategic importance for South America because it has a wide territorial power over the region, an economic and commercial opening to Europe and Africa facilitated by its slope with the Atlantic Ocean and its international alliances in which Mercosur and BRICS stand that allow the integration of the countries that comprise it. This makes Brazil an important geopolitical territory in South America. Thank you so much.